critical lifts demand cribbing you can trust, engineered and not improvised. Introducing the Enerpac CR-Series Cribbing Rings, designed from the ground up for safer, more controlled heavy lifting. Each component is dimensionally consistent and engineered to work together, providing a predictable foundation for your most critical lift projects, where failure, rework, or instability are not options. When extra height is needed, achieve it safely with purpose-built stacking spacers and interlocking U-rings that securely support the load. An innovative fork design enables right first-time placement while keeping hands safely clear of the load throughout the process. The ergonomic design lets you position the U-rings at different angles, ideal for faster and safer placement in tight spaces, no drops, and no delays. From setup to every critical stage of the lift, the interlocking pin design eliminates misalignment, keeping your load precisely in position. The new CR-Series cribbing rings attach directly to selected Enerpac RCS cylinders, so you can eliminate traditional cribbing methods for good. CR-Series cribbing rings, built for speed, designed for safety, trustworthy for every job. Buy now at enerpac.com.